Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in an Epson XP-352. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using the control panel found on the front, so there's no need to involve an attached PC or laptop. So the first thing we're going to do is let the printer know that we are ready to change the ink cartridges. Just simply opening the lid of the printer doesn't help in this instance. So if we move ourselves along until we get to setup, which is shown by this symbol shown here. Press OK to go in. Then we move one to the right, press OK again. And then it's the fourth option along, ink cartridge replacement. So we press OK to go into that. And to get started, press the colour start button, seen here. And the little whir and click you've heard is your printer moving the ink cartridge cradle into the correct position for replacing within the printer. So we need to lift up the top of the printer. We go below the scanner. There are two recesses found, one on each side. We just lift there, the whole thing comes up. And as described, the ink cartridge cradle has moved itself over here so we can access the cartridges individually. So to get the cartridges out, we just reach to the back, lift them out. Some cartridges you'll find a little clip you can press down. These ones don't have it, but both work just fine. And take the cartridge away. And ordinarily you'd get a fresh replacement cartridge and remove the protective packaging. I've got no need to, so this one's going back in. Now if you do have a new cartridge, make sure you've removed any protective packaging you may have. There'll almost certainly be a yellow or an orange pull tab found on the back of the cartridge, which you rip off, exposing an air hole and breaking a vacuum within the cartridge, which is very important to do. What you don't need to do, unless explicitly stated, is worry about the film found on the bottom of the cartridge. I've seen people try to remove that and it just floods the printer with ink and does you no good. So just trust that the printer will pierce that as it goes in. You don't need to worry about it. So from there, just position it. Most ink cartridges will actually show you where to push to get it in. Get it down. When it's sat flush with the other three cartridges, you know it's in the correct position. Now repeat this for any other cartridges that need replacing. And then we just lower the top of the printer and then head back to the screen. At this point, your printer is largely clueless as to what's happened within the printer, so we just need to indicate to it that we're done. So we start pressing that, and then the printer will take a look at the cartridges individually, making sure it's happy with them electronically. You might get a warning that you're not using original Epson inks if you're not using them, but getting past those messages should be no more complicated than just pressing OK and indicating that you're happy to use them. If this video has been useful for you, please do let me know with a like. If you have anything else to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.